Ursa, the electric utility motorcycle. Power life and expand space. Join us when we share what the future of transportation is about. Aside from bringing your laptop to work and picking up groceries on your way back home, you charge it from your power outlet. It's clean and doesn't pollute. The fact that it's quiet means no disturbance. Use it for exploring and commuting. Inspired by the working bench, its central beam, aside from being the spine of the construction, serves as the utility bar, where one quick lock device works as the connecting point to a variety of functionalities. These quick locks can slide on the bar to be placed where it makes sense to the individual need. The modularity is endless. Bring your climbing gear, strap on your surfboard, transport your boat engine. Bring your fishing gear, attach a front basket. Bring your skis to the slope. Go diving. Slide on an extra seat and bring a friend. Take your kid to daycare. It's also a rolling power station. Connecting devices or tools directly to the Ursa battery, bring your power tools to build a house in the middle of nowhere, moving your office to the lakeside. Arrange a forest rave. Invite your friends to a movie night in the woods or a midnight surf. Expand your space and explore with respect.